Jai Srimanarayana. 8th sloka from 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tamastu Ajnanajam Vidhi Mohanam Sarvadehinam Pramadalasya Nidrabhihi Tannibadhnati Bharata. Om. Realize that and always remember that Tamogunam is a mode of ignorance. It drives you in opposite direction of the right knowledge, and it always makes you feel sleepy, makes you feel madness, delusion. That is why try to see that Sattvagunam is always dominated and Tamogunam is suppressed. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I realize that and I always remember that this Tamogunam drives me in opposite direction of the right knowledge, and this Tamogunam makes me feel madness and always sleepy. O Srimanarayana, I shall keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Tamogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey all your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta-krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 269th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra. saying that how Parikshit Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma, along with Baladeva and his friends wandering here and there in the forest. At that time, his friends came and started telling like this, "Oh Krishna, there is one beautiful park very close by. There are so many fruits, phalani, tatra bhurini, patanti, patitani cha." There are so many fruits already fell down on the floor. But avaruddhani dhenukena duratmana, all that area is under the control of Dhenukasura. He is in the form of a donkey and restricting everyone to come into that park. He is such a strong asura. Along with other so many asuras, he is not letting anyone come into that park. That Dhenukasura eating away humans as it is. That is why no humans or animals or birds, none of them are daring to enter into that park. O Krishna, phalagandhamu nasa putamula jocchi kalanchi chittamula gunipoyen. The fragrances coming out of those fruits are captivating our minds. We are very much interested in eating those fruits and our mouths are watering to eat away those fruits. Ho Baladeva, Ho Krishna, Meeru Palamula Namalimpudumamu Baliyurakunu Meeku Daitya Bhatuladdambe. Can you please take us there and let us eat those fruits? You both are very strong. No Dhenukasura, no other asura can be an equivalent to both of you. So that is why Vanchasti Mahati Rama Krishna Gamyatam Yadirochate. If both of you likes to go over there, let us all go there and let us all eat those fruits from that park. Like that, all the friends are requesting Krishna and Balarama. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 8th sloka. Tamastva jnanajam vidhi mohanam sarvadehinam pramadalasya nidrabhihi tannibadhnati bharata. Tamastva jnanajam vidhi mohanam sarvadehinam pramadalasya nidrabhihi tannibadhnati bharata. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.